Before we begin with the Pianobook presentation, I have a little story for you. A few days ago, I was minding my own business and preparing samples for the revamped version of Fridgescapes. New UI, new code, everything. When suddenly, I get a phone call. I pick up the phone and I said, hello?
Oh, I know, love. It's Julie, your neighbour from down the road. You remember me?
She had a northern accent that had the same northern thickness as Wallace from Wallace and Gromit. I didn't recognise the voice, and I don't know anyone with that name, and was convinced that she got the wrong number. But I went along with it. Oh, yes! Hi, it's been a while.
Is your fridge running?
I know how that joke goes. Oh, you better go catch it. No, because it hasn't got legs. She then replied, to my surprise.
Oh, that's a shame, because my fridge is broken and I was wondering if I could borrow
No, wait, sorry, I thought you were making a joke. No, I don't mind you using my fridge at all. I will have to pick up your stuff. The fridge doesn't... She hung up. Later that day, she arrived at my house. I warned her that my fridge doesn't like people it doesn't recognise. She thought I was off my nuts. She opened the fridge and it got gobbled up. No, that didn't happen. You just got bamboozled!
A few moments later.
So, this is Fridgescape. Now, looking off the map, you're probably thinking, oh, what is this? It's basically the sound of my fridge, in the form of a decent sampler instrument. There's a total of 3 presets. Look, I didn't go too mad on this. The only difference is that between the old one and this one, it's got the same code as Violin Experiments. You're immediately looking at the massive knob and you're thinking, oh, what does that do? It's just like Violin Experiments. I ain't gonna tell you. The video's gonna do the talking. Anyway, so that's Fridgescapes. Here's the Pianobook link if you want it. And here's also the Gumroad page, because it is now finally on Gumroad. And yes, I did rename the file to Fridgescapes Refrosted. I don't know, it just sounded cool. Can you blame me?